What's up, guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a free website. Welcome to my channel, Ask Hacker Cheche. In this channel I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. So I am here to help you and to guide you. Please remember to like this video and hit the subscribe button so I don't miss any of my videos. Let's get started. Now, we're going to be creating our free website using this platform called Wix. Or I'm going to leave the link down below that will help you get started. So just check out the pinned comments. You're going to find the link to this platform there. All right. So first of all, we click on Get Started. Now we need to sign up, and to do that, I'm going to just do that very fast. All right, so quick one. I'm currently logged in. By the way, if you don't have if you're not signed up yet, you could use your Facebook account or your Google account to sign into Wix. All right, so currently this is my dashboard. Okay, so now the first thing we do is that we need to get over here and click on Create New Site. Now we need to choose what kind of website that we are creating. Okay, so let's say I want to use, okay, let's say a portfolio website. Okay, then you click on Next. So okay, let's say okay, let's say cabinet maker portfolio. Okay, so we click on Next. Now, there are two options that we're going to explore. I will explore two of them. Right, the first option that we could answer a few simple questions and then let the ADI create a website for us. Or second option is that we could just start with a template and then we make the website our own using the editor. All right, so I'm going to try the first option, which is to just answer a few questions and then let the ADI create a website for us. Right, so it's just like artificial intelligence. So let's see how that goes. So first things first, the first question is what do you need on your new website? Okay, so I want to be able to chat. I want an online store. I'm not sure I want an Instagram feed. Okay, but I want a subscribe form. Okay, I think I would love a blog. I would love to sell okay, I think let me just go with this. I would love to have a video. Okay, and so we scroll down. All right, so just click on Next. Don't forget, you could just skip this by clicking on maybe later, and then later on you come back to work on that. So what is the name of your business? Okay, so let's say Ask Hacker Cheche Chairs. Okay, or let's change this to Comfy Chairs. All right, so Comfy Chairs. All right, then we click on Next. By the way, you could also skip this, or you could also click here to go back to the previous option. All right, so click on Next. Okay, now it asks us, do you want to import your images and text? I don't want to do that. Okay, I don't want to do that. So I just click on skip. I'll skip this. All right. So currently it asks us to review and edit our info. I don't have a logo. All right. So, or I could just use one logo I have for other stuff. So I click on the plus button and it's giving me an option to upload a logo real fast. Okay. So I'm going to find a logo I'm going to use right here. Okay. All right. So this is the logo. Currently it's being uploaded. So there is option for an address. I'm going to use this. And of course, my phone number is right here. So plus 234. All right. So social link. I don't want that. Okay. So we click on next. All right. So currently, the Wix ADI is working on our website, and I want to choose. It asks me to choose a theme that I like. Well, I love black. Okay, let's keep this minimal, and we click on continue. Okay, so at this point, it's we are asked to pick a favorite homepage design, and let me see, see. Okay, this. Uh, okay, I think I would love to go with this one that's white. So I'll click on use this design. Now, if you don't want to do this, you could simply click on this button here to skip this part. All right, come back to later on and see what you want to do with this. Okay, but for now, I'm going to choose this, and okay, so it's going to let us add pages to our site. So I'm going to add the portfolio page and then add an about page. I don't want Instagram, so I'm just going to scroll down to see if other options are available. I think I want a contacts page, and no events, no the blank page. All right, so done with this, and click on edit site. So currently it's adding our pages, and we want to look at how this is going to be. It's been super easy so far, drag and drop. So let's see how this comes out finally. Awesome. So you can see it's done. We have an option to edit this or redesign it. Okay, I'll leave it like this. So this is my blog, my website name, the home page, the portfolio page, the about page, the contact page. Okay, so this is, I guess this is the home page. All right, and then these are some designs, and then of course we could also edit this. We could design this. We could manage it. So let me see. So when we click on this manage button, let's see what happens. All right. Great. So we have an option to organize our gallery, right? So we could add more photos, or text, all right? And then for each one we do, we could also upload ours, okay, by clicking on this button that says add media. Of course, we add a title, a description, and a link to view that, okay? So I don't want to do any of this. By the way, we could also add more to what's already available, all right? So I'm just going to go back. Okay, so click this page, cancel this. All right, and so just keep viewing this website we have. All right, so this is the gallery, and of course we could load to watch more. Now this is the contact page. All right, so let me see if we could edit this. Okay, can we edit this? Okay, I think not. I think not. All right. So this is what it looks like have my, I could add my social profile links to this place. All right, so when we are done with this, we could click over here to add a section or a page. We could design, change the theme, add some colors, change fonts, add some animations, and work on some page designs. We click on manage. We could also see other apps and tools that we could add to this. Now, so let's assume that this is okay. Now I want to edit this because I see name and name. Okay, email. All right, so I think this is good enough. All right. For stuff we just did in seconds and in mere minutes. This is just a few minutes now. So when we're done with this, we click on publish. Now, the next thing to do is that we need to choose a domain to publish this site on. All right, we could use a free wix.com domain, or we could connect using our custom domain. Okay, so far, let me see. If you wanted to use a custom domain, let me see how this works. All right, so we choose this, and then we click on publish and continue. All right, so the site has been published, but we need to upgrade our site to connect to our custom domain. Okay, so this depends on you. If you want to get a new domain, so you click on this option and then you continue. You probably spend about between 12 and 20 bucks to get a new domain. Or if you already bought one, you could click on this and you're showing how to connect that. Okay, so I'm going to go with click on maybe letter so that all right, so now our site is done. All right, so let me click here to view the site. So let me see how this will look. Awesome. So this is how website looks like. So quite pretty simple stuff. Okay. All right, so don't forget when you're making yours to make sure you edit each of these. Okay, so that this default text and the title won't be showing on your own websites. Okay, so now let's head back and work with the second option that we had. All right, so let's do that. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.